Hello, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the notification sound on your Android phone. If you're tired of the default sound and want to personalize it, stay tuned as I walk you through the steps. First, go ahead and open the Settings app on your Android device. Once you're in the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now scroll down and look for the option labeled Notification Sound. Tap on again to proceed. If you don't see this option immediately, you can use the search bar at the top of your settings page. Just type in Notification Sound and tap on the result that appears. You'll now see a list of available notification sounds. You can listen to each sound and choose the one you prefer. Simply tap on the sound to select it. If you want to use a custom notification sound, you can also select a file from your phone's storage. Just make sure the sound is no longer than 5 seconds. This is a requirement for most Android phones. Once you've made your selection, just exit the settings, and your new notification sound will be applied immediately. You can test it by sending yourself a test notification. And that's it, you've successfully changed your notification sound on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.